Hello, I'm Rosa and I'm going to teach you the sphere knot. I have a braid that its length is about 4 meters, but 3 meters and 80 centimeters is enough for this knot. First of all, it's one of the head of the braid. We look not here. It's almost finished. You should cut this and uh, put this here, pull it out, and then sew this to this. I will show you how to sew it. Hello, it's the cushion. I organized the braids so that they won't be firm or tight and not loose. Something between loose and tight. Then I should cut the surplus braid and start sewing these two together. When you are organizing the braids, you should hide the sewing seams. Uh, I rotate the braids so that sewing seams go under. That, as you see, there are no sewing seams on the surface, and they are all under the braids. Here, I put the seam on the seam because the braid shouldn't rotate in the whole knot. Then fix it with a needle, with sew needles. With how many needles you need? This way. and then start to sew it, thread and needle, then rotate it and do this work again. You continue until it ends. Thank you.